tonight. Anyway, music they hear there. Why you're here tonight? Yo, bro. Why you look good? I like this. We still have a smartphone to give away. Yeah, we have to check, make sure everything is top. Please visit all the booths. Left all the money here. Left all the money here. Right there, Pop. Right there, Pop. Jimmy there tonight. Jimmy with the chummy. Jimmy broke up the bar. Darrell is here tonight. Darrell Salguero, Mr. Jane Hertash. Best Pool. We still have nachos going, still have food, we still have not so soft drink. We still have bacon here, salt, everything's still there. Left all the money here. Left all the money with singing guys for their practice tonight. Foundation there, DJ Turns there, Wargate there. The whole community there to support singing guys. Big up 91.7 DYFA Garifuna radio station. Yeah, this song good now. Yeah. Oh, this song good. Guitar. Bongo. 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 Yeah, that's good. We have the real boss head tonight. And John is here tonight. Lot of trouble tonight. We have Darrell here tonight from Pemberton. Tasha from Pinko. Tasha from Pinko here. Alright, right now, a very important message. There's a child, Oris Cruz. Some child named Oris Cruz, your mama really don't worry about you and they ask that you return home. Oris Cruz. I'm not sure who that, but the person needs to go home like, Oris, you need to go home and they don't worry about you. Oris, your mama will wait for your home. And at this time, parents, if you're out there, please ensure that you know how to locate your child, right? Please ensure that you know if I hear a child, safety is a must. No one is here tonight. What's up? Please visit the booths. We still have food, we still have drinks. Richard is here tonight. Richard Ramos is here tonight. Raheem Ramos is here tonight. All the way from Zimbabwe. Check it out. somebody give me something, I want this right there, so. And it's not the engine right now. We're going to take some weight to the people right now. Over there. Sasha. You know the video, Masabi? It's a one long setup, but lots of our patience. We'll search for a band to band. The real Masabi here tonight. When Andron there, trouble there. Ready? Cheering. Be up here at Hot Pop Fest 2025. We still have a smartphone to give away. Smartphone to give away. After about some years now, this spot where I give away a smartphone there. Yeah. Alright, make a test of the wheel, alright? One of y'all must have been play. One of y'all must have been play. Y'all don't be able to cry. Y'all don't be able to cry. What you know? Boys and girls, the one and only. What's up? What's up, me? Well, listen, later on, we have a phone to give away. So if you don't have a phone, if you don't have Instagram, if you don't have WhatsApp, if you don't have Facebook, tonight, you go on Instagram for a phone where I win tonight. You understand? So, we're going to brace up because we are giving away a phone. You understand? We will give away a phone. But with that said, nice and easy for one now. 1, 2, 3, come on!
we remind you, we have a phone to give away. You understand? So if you don't have Instagram, if you don't have WhatsApp, if you don't have Facebook, you know, if you don't have Jabari, just make sure you go download it later on for the phone, bro, mix, bro. You understand? TikTok, I don't like TikTok, bro. Look, is there, bro, mix, bro. Hey, Gamba. And we also have a dinner for two from Malu Kitchen. You understand? Hey, not just I like it, you know. You understand? And tomorrow, ready again? Sunday. Tomorrow, Sunday. So if you think about eating a little green pack or a little chicken, you could just change that into a little Malu. So you are yo? Ma. Oh. Hey, again, ma. Hey, the fire hand. But it, hold on. Listen, relax. We're going to have fun. Forgive me, Mr. DYFA, big up DYFA all times. We're going to want to stop leaving. Hey, the fire hand. But it, but it, see what's in my own. Let's go. Gotta get me the time. Gotta get me the stream. Gotta get me the time. Got the body. Gotta get me the crowd. Gotta get me the stream. Gotta get me the time. Got the body. Right now. Let's go. You know, understand that somebody, Mr. Risha, everybody see Mr. Risha? Mr. Risha, over there? Nice and easy. Alright, good. I think we have to start find some volunteers or some contestants one time for this phone because we need to give her this phone. We need to give her this smartphone, you understand? Alright, good. Let's see, this is how we do it. The barbecue now, $8. $8, the barbecue, only $8, the barbecue. You understand? But if you eat this barbecue, you don't have to eat until Monday because this barbecue is full of fat today, tomorrow, until Monday night. So you can buy the barbecue right now for $8. Boom! What the fuck? Before I get to my mission, we get one answer first. One answer, just one answer we need. Anybody, one answer. We want to come here right now. Right now, come. Yeah. One answer first, just one answer. So come on. You answer. We don't have one. Get ready. Two. Get ready. One, two, three. Let's go. Warm up the boat. Hey, come on, the phone, what's he saying? See us in my own. one? What was the one? What was the one? Hey, Tabarama, but it's fun, but it's yeah. See us in my own. Today, I'm feeling it. Today, I'm feeling it. Today, I'm feeling it. Today, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. I'm feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Today, come on, sure. What? Last one? We got it. All right, good. Good. Hey, Tabarama, he's got the phone, but the see us in my own. Please, not go clear stage, not go clear stage. Not go clear stage. Let's warm up for the phone, you understand? That's when you warm up. So to know what the condition looks like for the phone. Please, not go clear stage, not go clear stage for Mama. Not go clear stage. We're going to do more on there, yeah, we're going to do more on there. Go there, whatever it is. Go, Jake, come on. Let's go. Not the side, not the side, not the side. Everybody, everybody, let's go. Everybody, check this out. Everybody, let's go. Your time. If you get dance fast, this is your time. You understand? We're going slow and nice, You don't need to fight something if you do like a day. Just take the time and make your waist do what I want. Hey, the banana, but it's not, but it's not. See us in my own, baby. Right to it. Let's go. Right to it. Fast, this is your turn. You understand? If you can't go fast, this is your turn. Worse, if you can't go slow, I'm going to wait to it. And I jump up for a 5 minutes. Boom. Hey, top of the hand, but it's long, but it's long. See it in my own honey. Right to it. Okay, one time. Okay, we're gonna get 3 dancers one time. We're gonna go with the food one time. Coming away for waste time. Give me a little holler in the background. Small holler. We're gonna 3 dancers. 3 dancers. Only 3. 1. We don't have 1. We don't 1. It's not for the food. It's not for the food. Come, mama, come. It's not for the food. For Miss Malou. This is for Miss Malou. 1. We need 2 more. You come dance, mama? One more person. Come. Okay, we don't have female. Come, 3. So 3 female. Alright, you're first, you're second, you're third. Ready? Alright, you're first. Come. Step on the side. Step on this side. You're first, you ready? You ready, mama? You ready? 1, 2, Sonia. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Contestant come one time, I'm going to give away the food one time. Come, the 3, 1, open the Sunday. Come, mama, pass it. Come, mama, come. So if you like the person, you say yes. If you don't like the person, you say nothing. Everyone understand that? Alright, good. So is it contestant number 1? Not about show. Is it contestant number 2? Not about show. Is it contestant number 3? Alright, so between 1 and 2, so step on the side, mama. After this, you're going to get a coke for you or at least a drink, alright? Good, so we're going again. Is it contestant number 1? Yeah! Is it contestant number 2? Yeah! Contestant number 1? Yeah! Contestant number 2? So basically, the judges are saying, contestant number 1, everybody give it up for contestant number 1. Wonderful, wonderful. Step on the side, mama. Second out and get a coke or the inside drink of us. Go. Everybody are winners, everybody are winners. Alright, come. Come, you and you come. Come to Sergeant. Go to teacher right there. Go to teacher right there. Come on, teacher, Pali. Sergeant. Come, 2 on the Sergeant. So, mama, you automatically win 1 dinner for 2 and Miss Malu. Alright? Miss Malu, so. Tomorrow, matter of fact, if you want to go tomorrow, if Miss Malu will open tonight, you can go to Miss Malu course. So, I don't know if she'll open tomorrow or if she'll open early morning, but however, you automatically win that. But with that said, give her again. 2, 3, let's go. Think early. Give me again. Ready? Boom. Yes, I say $150, but I like it. Let's give me a holla. Let's give me a holla. Let's give me a holla. Just give me a holla.
All right, I gotta go. Good night. Put the bill. Stay up already.
Let's go. Yes. Nice and easy. I like it. 2, 3. Okay, Montia. Let's go. Early. Mr. Beast, we're going to have to go and come back here. Mr. Beast and the manager. Big up Mr. Beast. Let's go. 2, 3. The best. Right, let's go. Come in. Bring up the morning. Yo, listen, one thing we always share the stage, kind of say we. So we are introducing the next artist right now. This artist, come in on your thing. 1, 2, 3, let's go. So why? Ready for you, team want to know something right now. Listen how we do it. Look at her and hi-hat. Look at her. Oh, late at night. She gone the phone. She want go home. The best is phone. Oh, late at night. She gone the phone. She want go home. The best is so I tell her. Gala baby they cry. Gala baby they scream. Gala baby they cry. Cause they want it. Gala baby they cry. Gala baby they scream. Listen to this new one. Stay right there. This is a new one for Wasabi. Would I be the first one to hear this one? This is a new one for Wasabi. Stay right there. Just stay right there. Go! Listen! Let's go! Right now that in a club, she don't want to go home yet. She man, they smoke weed on Saturday, I like that. Boom! Down this summertime. Hey, hold on. Hey! Take it, this I said. Take it, this I said. Take it, this I said. Take it, came on, came on. Hold on. We are using for the competition right now. That's side to side. Bees? Okay, good. Someone could just introduce the phone, Bees. Tell me about the phone.
Yeah, we have a smartphone.